Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our talk again, Yeah, we decided to we just improve some things and sit back and watch how the country formulate and based off our thing or take we advice. Whole heap of advice never take. Whole heap of things but talk but we come like say we turn the profit in the country right now. Nostradamus type thing. The whole toxic masculinity a surface again. The corruption in terms of the whole government thing and the facts of the government blight the poor people. The music thing again, dancehall again, topic up there again. So bar talk once again come back. So we are gonna introduce the players again. So I know them voice and remember the voice. So the man them introduce themselves now.
Yeah, man, in
Yeah.
Groove, live in living color.
All right, the teacher there again, in the bar. Big up people. Yes, I.
Giroud there, Up.
Not the girl them got.
Sure, no man to come back with the whole time thing there. Yeah, so what we are gonna do is just see if we can.
Better not tell the people my name, brother.
Oh, the people them don't know the voice already. I want King Solomon, there's not another one, I want him to, man. So what we're gonna deal with is just this. So right now we just go usher our way back in the thing, smooth and easy, and just talk about some trending topics right now and just see if we can catch up with the people and make the people them understand. So bar talk is forever, as long as the country not shape up how we think it's supposed to shape up in terms of justice and fairness, we're gonna always have a voice out there. So man, I'm hard when I'm hard, I don't want a big quarter white rum, quarter Campari,
Drunk settings, you.
Quad.
cranberry.
You have different size quad, like you have a small quad.
Yeah,
medium quad.
I want the big one. Imperial.
Imperial.
Yeah, man, give me an Imperial.
Big quad. Yo, for the teacher, a cold Guinness there. How over there?
Give it two Spitfire there, Marva. Marva around there.
Marva around there.
Yo, you best.
A cold Guinness for the teacher, the Marva. Blessings.
Yo, and make sure they did Marva properly, Some mom's name, so they know the thing going on you.
Two Spitfire there.
Dr. Marva with beer reverence. You hear that?
So what you had say and Engova. Engova is one Vita Malta. That's him again.
Engova is one Lasco.
One Malta.
Yeah, man, start off with a glass of water.
One Lasco creamy, man.
On the rocks. Water on the rocks.
Brother. What you had say?
Me buy a bakla water. Engova. Yo, get it done. 2 bakla water.
Yeah, man, bless up.
What?
Let's say more. Me and something with peanut something there. Let's say why you
a penis colada.
That was a penis colada. How did you want? One up. Yeah, so in China Jiro.
For the last couple, we can go back as far as the last month. Some whole heap of things been happening. And as Solomon said, them can link back to some of the topics that we did before. And we can even use some of them to try get an understanding. One, to get an understanding. 2, to get a resolution. And 3, to put forward something that might and can be used to bring forward change in what we really want to see in the society out there. So one hot topic, and as we say, is the government really there for the poor or for assist the poor? So the man licked down a portion out, no remorse, and then I try flip the switch when he realized that him F up to say a gunman them did want to stop from rob the people them, so them lick down the house them, which to me never make no sense. That a one. 2, we'll see it again happen since the ending of the last 2-3 years. Everybody lock up in them house. School start back, bag of fights, bag of beatings. We say we're next school student lost their life coming out of violence in the school. That's a 2. What else there? 3, we see once again dancehall in the limelight. So them ban what them say? Scamming, gun,
drug abuse,
related
violence against any form. Them ban those type of songs or songs that are equipped with those lyrics from the media.
Insinuation.
Yeah, from the media. When I say media this time, I talk about radio, local TV.
What I call it, public media.
Yeah, so we can say back in the days media. And then 3, the one where they on the front burner now where just go on the stove, well blazing. A next social media influencer has lost her life violently. And we see the uproar in the social media space just to stop violence against women and to once again come at the heels of men to say that the man them wicked, them a kill off the woman them. So I could run in it then and get back into the groove. So go to anybody who want to talk by anyone I talk with them can start.
You start with the land demolition, you know.
I think that are the heights.
Yeah, my only thing on that is truth and in fact, slavery them never giving up from the abolition and the emancipation, all of that. Black people never really get no land. Our government, they own the land and rich people and white people and all of that. So I guess them they know them right. If you look upon that, so them can do anything they want do to you. They can just come drag you to your yard and bulldoze your scary car. Black people are not worth in our country, and this is my only thing. I always say it. I always go around the main thing. Yes, the country is majority blacks, but at the same time, I somehow feel like it's a concerted effort to keep majority poor blacks down because it serves the status quo. Because
so it's a man. Huh? You have no issue with squatter settlement then, and people must just build them out anyway them feel like.
In terms of squatter settlement.
So people must just
wait a man, you just show some brother, you show some palm when me never say.
No, me never say
anything about squatter settlement.
No, may I ask that question?
All I said is from slavery, coming to the abolition of slavery, come to emancipation, come to independence, blacks in the country never get rewarded or get any farmer land or get any farmer economic boost, just like the Indians, just like the Chinese, just like the whites. They got economic boost, which more than likely comes with land. Black people never get no land. So by that, it means majority black in the country, them need somewhere to live. Automatically,
them are going to find somewhere
go find somewhere to live.
It's right, you know, but them are going to find place and build.
But all right, like how in Google
aren't there legitimate
anything about squatter?
Aren't there legitimate steps that can be taken to own land?
All right,
are there though?
Yes, they are.
All
Okay.
right, hold on.
And I'm wait a man, he might show something out, you know, but the legitimate steps that are there, how draconian are there, how bureaucratic it is. What are the main things you need to get land? And at the same time, not every land.
There are legitimate ways and means.
Not every land available. Not every land suitable for live on, you know, sir.
Some land are crown land, some run out.
Every land is suitable for live on, you know.
Exactly, I have some land that are in flood-prone areas.
Yes, and everywhere. So you can't just say. So the lands them were available. That's first of all, the people have to find the lands them were available.
Right.
To see what was said.
For residential purpose.
So for residential purposes. So when you find a land there, more than likely a land there, they're in an area where, Jano, you basically a start over about life. Because you have to go find that and put everything in that, which more than likely outside a corporate area, outside of the urban setting, outside of things where you usually used.
But it do exist.
Right now,
how much people can do that, Joe? How much people can do that in Govo?
But it does exist.
Right now,
alright, my boss, find them. Them in an argument on land demolition.
Work in an agency.
Me not an argument on land demolition. So them can go ahead and just do it.
You know, for them, I send people who work or people who are born and grow in Kingston to go look for place to live.
Kingston is overcrowded. Kingston
right,
overcrowded.
So they must send people. Why you call it overcrowded?
Kingston and Portmore is overcrowded.
So what they must say is that you must go a Klein and go live and work at all.
Drew, they can't be double standard. Them brought the
double
law.
Now listen, hold on.
They brought the law, Drew.
What is the law? Which law was broken?
The law, Drew.
Them not own the land, and for them land. You want somebody can come build house from your house. You want somebody. You don't want man come just build house from your land.
I'm teaching you something, right?
You want people just build house from your land, so?
Let me teach you something now.
No,
if you get to the man in night, somebody build a house from your backyard.
And teacher they mention it. You have a crown land, right?
The land in Clifton is not
crown
land.
Probably don't know. Listen to a man, you have crown land. And then you have the government land, as teacher said.
That,
So you have crown land and you have the government
that
land.
means
You know, say you can live on the government land for 15 years. And if you live on the government land for 15 years, you end up can own that land.
own it.
So how you gonna live on it if you never go on it without a title?
Yeah, man.
You can live on the government land for 15 years and then go and pay your taxes each month. And
Even the
you
government
can
building as well.
apply and get
Yard, hold on the yard. Because so like
now the crown land,
yard.
now the crown land,
the
difference now, teacher, is that the crown land, they must say on the crown land now, you have to do that for 61 years.
61 years, right.
60,
live on the land for 61 years.
60
before you can apply.
6 years.
Before you
can apply for ownership.
Before you can apply for ownership.
So what the government
want to know, you reach on the land
government
if you not go up on the land.
years from 50
but you have, but Jiro, even more. Or you have amenities.
You come around off him.
Or you have amenities. Or you have policy.
Yeah, man, beat and teacher.
No, but when you have policy. Or you have policy for if me depend on a land, which when me depend it at first are squatting, but you have policy for me can make it legalized.
Exactly.
If you have to
say, Salaman,
why we still use the laws then? That's the whole. That's crazy, bro.
Similar thing.
That's crazy.
Years of people them live on it.
So it means that we still use. So it means that we still use the colloquial crown full law them where did against black people.
Salaman, you are defeating your own argument because you just say that there's no way people can acquire land, and therefore Jero just explained to you how you can go.
But we not
hold on, you
never hear me say draconian. No, but you never hear draconian. Bureaucratic. You never hear draconian bureaucratic before you say what you say.
You yourself just explain.
No, but me say the laws them for you get
Let me finish now.
Draconian and bureaucratic.
Let me finish now.
And Jiro just explain the bureaucracy behind it.
Jiro, which bureaucracy? Live on land for 15 years, which part of bureaucracy?
You don't understand the bureaucracy.
How is that bureaucratic? 15 years?
Look for some land in a town. Be assured.
No, but we're not.
Oh,
teacher, if you can live
on land. They put it in a constituency because they want to vote. I show them
the most important point is that
but teacher,
give the people them title and make them vote.
The most important
political interest, them give the people them title. One thing of them
land in question.
Me hear what Nguba say.
The land in question.
Be assured, was a spot of land.
Well, I me hear what say about the land in question now.
And put it in a constituency for vote.
Hear what Nguba said. The land in question now. The most important is what?
It is private owned. It is not government land, it is not crown land, it is private. Government is not yeah, what you say?
It's private owned.
Right.
Yeah,
so them never gonna say who it owned by or anything like that. Them not no reason for that. But what I'm saying,
that's public.
But what I'm saying is
the government can't just disclose the information in public.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is the first car usually in order for a squatter area below, it have to be two brave souls first go see it, organize a little part, other people see it running. I had them say this private owned land, all these years privately. People know.
How long the people them on the land?
No, we are not listen messing more than likely.
More than some of them are more than 15 years.
No, listen messing
there for long now.
Jiro, listen messing more than likely them people are within a constituency and have the ability to vote as well, right? So I had tell me say all these years them a vote and all these years them a do what them a do. There's nobody come and say, brother, we have to come out, we can't do this.
You can't vote on the address we have 10 years ago. You don't have to vote on the current address.
Yes, sir, go on.
You don't have to vote on the current address.
When me talk about this from is just a simple.
You can vote on the address we have 10 years ago.
It's a simple fact, say the fact that we are not landowners from independence and
they are legitimate
from slavery abolition.
They are legitimate.
All of that.
They are legitimate and legal ways.
And the legitimate and legal ways to get land. Ridiculous. People will try acquire land and up to now them still try acquire.
Get you.
And there are people who try and become successful. And there are people who try and become successful.
That's true.
White people, Europeans.
Have you ever heard about Majestic Gardens? Have you heard about Majestic Gardens?
What about Majestic Gardens?
I'm asking, have you ever heard about Majestic Gardens?
What about it? What about Majestic Gardens?
Those persons own their land.
Majestic Gardens you use?
They own the land. Those are not white people.
You use
Oh,
Majestic Gardens. Are you talking about back to your talk to?
Upstairs
Back to your talk about?
man.
Majestic, you know, Majestic Gardens.
You know
You
me
know back
here?
to?
Majestic Gardens.
No, you know back to? Yeah. You don't know back to?
Back to my refer to, man. Back to my refer to, man. You know,
You know
you
back
must use a
to?
fancy term, man.
Tell me how
Never.
people
I
own
could
land
never
in Jamaica.
Yo, I could never.
Una say white people
I
alone.
could never back to.
White people live on Majestic Gardens. White people live on
Yo, you
Majestic
see from you drive for back to?
Hey,
I
right now,
put it down mad reasoning like this. You just have to take 2 drink out of thing and just know
The
it's
guy
yo.
just Google something for them phone.
Nah,
a while.
man, I like-
The guy doing that bar.
Yo, catch
Yo,
it up, brother.
Majestic Gardens pop up.
right now.
Yo, Father Depot, swear.
We never hear about Majestic Garden. I mean,
Yeah,
Operation
we are-
Pride.
Yeah, what about
we
back
have
to?
to have
Yeah, what about back to?
We never hear about Operation Pride.
What about back to?
Mhm.
Yeah, what
We
about
never hear about back to?
Operation Pride.
All right,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, we work on the project
You
then.
never hear about back to?
All right then.
They work on the
PNP
project
initiative.
You
then.
hear about Operation Pride too?
No,
PNP
Engo.
They
initiative.
work on the project then, man.
Engo,
You know that
we
project.
hear
Yeah,
about
so what
back to?
about Operation Pride?
Yeah, what?
No, no,
Yeah, tell us about it.
come
Tell us
like
about it.
Tell us about it.
You want to know about it?
Jerusalem work on it. Tell us about it. Jerusalem work on it.
But the people them right now, some of them, they're not paying nothing for the house then.
But-
Then they get the house them for free for vote.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Some of them
So,
are pay
right.
so they
$2,000.
legit,
for
so them
vote.
get,
$2,000.
so them legitimately acquire the land, innit?
Some of them are paying $2,000.
But yet still, Una say there's
a month
no
for
way
Yo, you ever hear something
people
like
can
that?
acquire
Politics.
land.
All right.
Yet
Politics
still,
is
Una
not
say
to
there's
vote.
no way
Okay.
people can
Earlier.
acquire land.
All right,
I
so
Una give me
Be
example.
sure
but
and
me
ask
never
back
know
you.
the same one I give
Engo.
example.
Engo vote, me
Yo.
never know say prime land I give in a back to, so me have to go see what I go.
Alright, then.
Exactly.
So what
Prime
go
land
on?
I give in a back
Them
to.
them
Go see what go on. No?
No, if prime land I give in a back to.
So I tell you about Operation
Organize
Pride then.
yourself.
Talk about Operation
Huh?
Pride then. Enough people get land in Operation Pride.
Which enough
Mhm.
people?
I mean,
Where?
enough people.
Where?
Which part?
I mean,
Which
where?
part? Prime
Where?
land?
Prime
Prime
land,
land?
very prime too.
Where?
back to-
Where?
Go do
Uptown?
go do your research. No, go
Up,
do your research.
up half a tree?
No.
Come on, man. Up
Go do
half
your
a tree?
research.
Above the clock?
So wait,
Above the clock?
that's where everybody must live.
Ligani? Me ask
Everybody
you,
must
say
live
no
in a Ligani?
people. Me ask you.
Do your research,
Get
brother.
married?
Do your
Yeah,
research.
free for live.
Prime land?
Comfortable they want.
Prime land. Go do your
But may I
research.
ask one question
Which
before we
prime
move
land?
off of this? Here what me want to ask. And
Yeah, government for leave that one.
And Google say legal means everybody get and own somewhere, right?
Brother, from a come out of
But
slavery,
if-
brother. The man them just
But
have
if
deal up
them
with
go,
them
if them have the
rest.
clause was say, if you respond the land for 15 years,
That
government
is again, that's in reference to government or crown land.
yeah, that's what I'm
The,
saying.
the,
That's
the
what I'm saying.
demolition took place
That's
on a
fine.
privately owned property.
That's-
So the
hold
example
on,
then
hold
mute.
on,
It's not
and
mute. Right about
Alright,
are we, do we want a society where
Hold on, man.
society where people can just go
People,
live on
they
people
say,
land?
the man want me ask my question to people. Man,
but
when
your
they think
question
man- the
mute.
man have a
We are
pla-
talking about the-
have a plan up in
You
place, man, want me
introduce the
ask
topic.
my question.
You introduce the topic, I talk about the government demolition, and then I talk about something
Yeah,
else.
then
The demolition was land that is privately owned. So what we're going to
Yeah.
talk about crown land
Alright,
and we I talk about privately owned lands.
but that's why I ask, right? How is the land? How the land become privately owned? I ask
But
you.
yeah, what do you mean what become? The government sell it.
Them stuck upon that one, the man.
You can't buy it
How
from the
them get-
government. Government can buy it. They can buy it from the government.
Oh, so who for land
so-
then?
So all the time now the people when me dep on it, them
So they say if me buy it from the government, Jerry, I still government land.
May I ask you, where it come from?
If me buy it from the government, you're saying it is still government land?
I did not say that. I'm asking
Oh,
you
so
where-
may I
where's
say
the
you buy
source
it
of
from the
land?
government?
Alright, so you buy it from the government. So it's
Yeah.
government land, right?
No,
Where
it is
the
no
government
private
get the
land.
land
It is no private land.
No, will I know? Where the government get the land from?
Chronic never tune about that, you know.
Government own the land from
All of Jamaica
Negro-
capture land.
Own the land? So where the government buy the land from who?
So draft for the chronics, you know.
The Queen dead. From the King?
Oh, slave driver.
That whole government buy the
government
land.
not for buying the land, brother. The government own the land.
Oh, so the government just own the land.
Also the government acquire the land or the government acquire the land
Because they want the government.
to
Yeah.
independence.
Oh.
Right.
The first government in Jamaica was one.
1962.
Answer that one there. Answer the first government.
1962.
What was the
Who was
first
leading government? that time?
1962.
Bustamante.
Mm.
Bustamante.
Mhm.
All right, let's move off that topic, man.
Dollar
we can move off that.
mute.
Yeah, man, no, we can move off of this. Man.
Yeah, people them just find some way for own some land, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Go
man.
find
Simple,
some
and
land
don't-
for
and don't
15
go-
years.
Yeah.
Just cut somewhere for 15 years. Make sure
I
it's
never
a
that too.
government.
I
land.
never
I
that
hope so the government.
I never
run.
that too. Before you put up black and cement, find out if a private one land here, people.
Mm.
Trouble.
Right now, no remorse.
Real. The whole of Jamaica capture land anyway still. Teach us that.
So find out where. I think privately owned about 20% of land are privately owned. I think or something like so. 20%.
In the island?
In Jamaica, 20-30, between 20 and 30%.
Well, I don't know the stats.
Give me the source of that stats, the Salaman.
I'm thinking a 20
give
or 30%.
Give me the source now.
Research
land percentage.
When I can research, then I have Google our biggest research.
No, so give the source now. Give the source of that percentage.
The land thing kind of sticky still. Not right now.
You
don't have no free beach where you can go on for island where surrounded by land, by water. You know, on a beach where you can just walk up on.
Set away still, isn't it?
Yeah, so the next topic now, run through for the next topic there. Them school picnic, Jesus.
All the time stay.
Yeah, this said the state owns and controls approximately 22% of Jamaica land.
The state?
Yeah, the state owns. With the balance held in freehold either individually or by families as family
so
land.
Your research proves
30%. Vietnam and 30% of private land in Jamaica is held as family land. You hear that?
But
what the crown?
And when me they said between 20 and 30%, that's what me said.
No, but you family different from private.
30% of private land in Jamaica
is
held as family land.
That's right. So therefore, your statistics wrong.
No, but we know.
Family own different from private.
I go like you're too bright, brother.
No, but you're killing.
All right, we know, man.
So you kill yourself, brother.
22% are state owned.
Right, but you said 20.
Yeah, but we know, man, said 22% with the balance held in freehold. What freehold mean?
Freehold mean private and other characteristics.
All right, so and then 30%. So that means that between the private family and state, that are 52. So 48% of the land in Jamaica privately owned there.
You agree with that?
What about crown?
No.
Salaman, want the crown land?
No, some of it is forest, like forested areas.
Well, the king own now. King Charles.
If I go all up and jump,
all right, so it means we are trying to say the number privately owned lands less than the number of private family owned lands.
More.
Salaman.
Me not understand what you have to Giroud. It worse than what me did say then. Nguvo.
Yeah.
Can I see worse than what me did say?
No, but you know where you are saying.
Because if family own 30%, that means
family own is 30%.
That means you look for Matalan them, you chin them.
Yeah, that's the family. That's what I mean by family owned, right?
Yeah, look on them type.
So you have some land that are also individual owned or privately owned, but it's not family owned. We
are talking about when you go up in some country place where some people own land were dead long time and they look of daughter and son them fight over.
Those are the family owned ones.
Go
hey,
on land.
You see you and go over. Me tell you.
But you read the source.
I tell you another.
I demand read it and not complain.
You spin doctoring. Normal, brother.
I demand draft for that source there. Bring for the music something. Bring for the music thing there.
I know the music one.
All right, so
music I did know. Yeah, the music.
Yeah, so with that, so we gonna come out for that land demolitions thing.
Music ban.
That have too much drama in it. So yeah, so we'll go to the music
ban. Dancehall specifically, yeah. Ban in Mali, violence.
For tell you the truth, guess why?
It takes too long.
No,
going to the gate.
And guess what going to? Guess why me feel like say it's never a ban. It's not even a ban no more.
Who listen radio?
No, wait, no man. Let me tell you what it come like right now. You see, back in the day. Where
back in the day.
All right,
90s,
early 2000s. 90s, early 2000s. The youth them want. No, wait, no man. The youth them turn artists from out of the garrison. Were more at-risk youths. They in the scenario.
So currently
in a bad man place. No, where the youth them want come out now. Come like the youth them right now are gang members. Two different ball game that.
So you're saying that most of the artists nowadays are actually gang?
No, I'm saying to you, most of the youth them are come out of the thing now. Are come out of a scenario where it's the gang culture in the communities right now are so widespread and crazy.
Everybody in a city in a gang.
Listen, me I say, you hear me I say to you. Yeah, me I said so.
I understand.
No, yeah, me I said so.
I try to
No, man.
understand what I say.
Where you are do, where you are do,
I try to understand what I say.
no, where you are do is behave like me never know we are do.
I try to understand what I try
We
to
are
do.
never serve no purpose. I am saying to you, it seems like most of them youth here what come out at the garrison and are going dancehall artists closer to the gang culture than before.
Okay.
Youth them before were more at risk youths. And the culture back then was a Dan culture.
Right.
Which means harder than other things. So you're not gonna stun gunman just so when you have a Dan.
Levels to the thing.
Yeah, you're not gonna, especially when you have
connect that to the
especially
band.
when you have
connect that to the band. Connect that back to
the band now. The band seems more the band is less effective than to me right now because music is now a job. It seems as if yeah, we're gonna start the background check on them, man.
Who for that? Who's supposed to that?
No, you're not. Hear me, I say no.
Who's supposed to
listen? No, I'm not saying anybody should, but I'm saying at this point
man.
in time, you're not listen for me, I say no. How extreme the thing is right now.
Yeah.
Where most of the youth them when them a sing and the youth them want to follow them active youth and now no curb fit. Go up on Instagram and tell us say this and this and that. It come like say right now.
Tell her we don't understand this so that. We don't understand that.
When the man come on Instagram and say them come kill a man here, that man can't do this. Look on Silk Bass. Silk Bass actively get backs up. That never done before in a dancehall from me.
No, that
no, but you don't see it. You know what I'm saying? But you don't see it. Wait now, when I move so jump on so triggered.
No, but we are trying to understand what I try to say.
So what I'm saying to you at this point in time says never a matter of banning the music. The youth them make it so detrimental upon themselves right now where they are actively being followed and watched like criminal.
You feel them care?
By who?
You feel them care?
By who?
You feel the youth them
by the general public. The general public think them youth are criminal.
Some of them put themselves out there like that them have the bad man demeanor.
Yeah. You wanna move like on a stupid. All I'm saying is, I said the youth them make it upon themselves right now. Where them seem like active killers, like them a part of the gang, like them part.
Connect that to the band.
I'm saying to you.
The connection to the band then,
So the connection to the band. So the band, as Jeru say, irrelevant right now.
So he said radio should be allowed to play.
No. All right.
I'm saying to you, it is not a matter just the band and the earwaves. It's also a matter I say you need now social intervention properly done in the music as well.
So the band is not.
Who can provide that, my youth?
So the band is not sufficient.
Where me who can provide that?
Who can provide social intervention there?
Where me who can provide social intervention in the music? Social intervention in music also you call means say the radio station them as well. So the PO thing, say need. So wait there. So what you gonna do? So banning the music and don't do anything else but banning the music. You have to go further with it.
But that
make no sense. So banning the music that make no sense.
So Solomon, go choose,
Solomon.
Go choose.
Remember,
man, I'm move trigger. No one self. That's something I got need phone of views too.
Well, all of them know of in a certain age group, right?
Right.
Remember when music used to drop, a radio used to hear with song new and with song around the road.
Oh, tell us when was that now?
Up to the early 2000s.
No man, before that.
No, I say up to.
Like even that's up in 1990s.
I'm saying up to, no man. Now the early 2000s.
Early 2000s, I CD around man. I CD around them time.
End movers, relax.
Early 2000 CD Master.
The radio.
CD Master.
DJ Liquid. And what the next one name? Chrome. People used to listen them to hear the new song.
Well, as far as we know, CD piece you circulate in early 2000s.
I'm going to talk to Teacher and Solomon.
Yeah.
Radio was a gatekeeper.
People used to listen to radio to hear which
in early 2000s, CD around the road.
You're the man. The man still around.
And go for I think I misrepresent.
Me I say early 2000s. CD around the road.
CD
We're not
was around.
talking about CD.
Okay,
Yeah,
that was
popular
used.
song,
That was
brother.
that CD drive popular song.
Nah,
Early
man.
2000s.
You're the man. Jesus.
Where the man I say Engu.
Yeah, new to the music thing.
Back then,
The man a sing
Back
then, the Piola thing was even more where if you want your tune, bus right, a liquid have a bus your tune,
on a Thursday,
or
whatever on a Thursday.
liquid mainly after bus your tune.
Get the music them and play them. And if Liquid don't play the music, you is a nobody in dancehall. Now what happen now is that the man them nowadays bypass the radio fully because we even get film CD for shoot the Liquid and squeeze Liquid one $5,000 or some ticket for go on party. In the need that again. In the
internet based now. Internet based.
Doing little song, not even a proper studio. Go down to do the little song. And then boom, throw it up on YouTube. Up on the next one name around the place now.
Spotify.
And once you get too much million views on TikTok or too much million shares on TikTok,
song gonna lead.
the song I run road. If you need radio again.
So give us
that's why I'm
link that back to the band there.
That's why I'm saying no, the band and the music in regards to the artists, them doing the band
still discriminatory. It's still discriminatory.
It is
discriminatory. Hip hop play the same vibe,
but
the same drug related.
But you are not
hip hop
hold on, Salaman and teacher. Let me hear it. Hold on, teacher. I hear it. May I try hear what Jerry was saying? Hold on.
Yeah, what may I say is
the
band and the music. No.
Right.
The band is needed.
Okay, right.
It is needed. However, it is irrelevant to the artist. The artists don't care.
In this day and age,
but the band is not targeting the artist. The band is not targeting the artist.
I understand, Nguva. That's why I'm saying the band is needed. If it never target the artist,
first of all, Nguva going like my either. The band's stupid.
But the band not target. Him said the band target artist. The band not target the artist.
The real song them. Brethren, the real song them want to talk about Mali and Ray. Not play on the radio. You not play on the radio, sir. The real Mali foolishness them. The real stupid song them. The real stupid song them.
Yeah, Mali
on the radio.
Them play, brother. Solomon, them play.
You know, you
don't
play on the radio in a manner to impact you. You don't play on the radio in a manner to impact you.
It play, brother.
But it don't impact. It don't
Yo,
impact
King
any youth.
Solomon, the man them say play on radio. Take your L now.
Man play on radio, brother.
Take your L and move on, brother. Take your L.
If I skank, I go play upon radio. If I skank, I go play upon radio. When if me in a taxi and I play upon radio, it and you saying it, the impact not there. In the impact not there.
No, but don't say don't play upon radio. Don't say
in a play upon radio.
Don't say
radio
play
about no play upon radio. The part where them talk about no play upon radio in the first place. The Mali part get mute out upon radio. The gold part get mute out upon radio.
No song cannot play it and have no beat. No, that's the thing. So them are cut out that entirely.
Brother, I thought them give that guitar on time.
So once some have beep, can't play at all. That's a part of the band.
It depends on which song and which artist.
Alright, watch
because then that the hip hop play upon radio. And hip hop more insinuating in terms of how it play, because them not use the word, them not use the words that we use. Them not use the words that we use.
So which hip hop song sing about Mali now? And
what you talking about? What are you talking about?
We play upon radio. That is being played on Jamaica radio since the ban. Since the ban?
Go listen. Fire. Listen, Fire.
And that's been played since the band come in? Yeah, Salaman something.
Yes, go listen Fire, man.
Yeah, if the song plays since the band
come in. Go listen Fire, sir.
The man now answer the question.
In true time, Broadcasting Commission seems to never get the memo. Internet age, and that band really make a difference now. People don't really listen radio now. I really YouTube and whatever.
No, but you say the younger generation.
But remember the aim is to reach younger generation for band the song.
Yeah. So when it play upon radio, it play upon radio, the big people, and the only reason why big people are saying the because the actions are the use. When it play upon radio, big people listen to that same way, because people still listen to them cash pot and not really business. And IRFM play what them a play and does wait upon the cash pot. So the taxi man is still listening on radio. And when it play upon radio, none of what them a talk about no play upon the radio. All of them think they mute out. All of them think they beep out.
But people really listen.
So no beep out again and mute out.
No, yeah, me understand that, But what me I say is this: you don't hear it on the radio. So they must say them a ban Mali off of the radio. You not hear it.
But in truth, I'm fucking up, Salaman. People really stop listening to radio for music. Like that again,
kind of in a sense, everything bleep out. And people want to hear the real version.
And news, and that's what the radio purpose is for.
So, news people are listening to.
So that band really, really effective. because people really not really listen to music.
So what do we forward now? No.
They need to explore. They need to explore.
Sing some different type of tune.
No.
Yeah, right now, the man can get more creative. That's what I mean.
You can't talk, no? What do we forward?
You can't really stop. The people, the artists, them make music off of them, which is because people really want to hear chopper song. Like that. So you can't stop them from, you can't stop them from doing them chopper song and whatever. Because they want to put out that song, whatever. But people, where the broad commission noise, like put out some education and stuff. No. We can educate the young youths, man.
That makes no sense. That makes no sense.
Nah, go work, yard.
That makes no sense.
Them youth,
that makes no sense because the broadcasting commission, first of all, has nothing to do with the development of young youth. Because at the end of the day, what them work off of is people that say, oh, too much true like that, please. So them work off of knee-jerk reactions. Them come like the next one, the indie come. Them no bite, no teeth. Just come like a old rank teeth dog.
Broad commission is do it. Do protocols then.
Broadcasting commission need to get nullified and come off and just come off. Cause I don't see nothing where makes sense.
Them do the protocols. So you can't
them not effect. Them not effect. Them have no effect on the country.
Big tune that
or anything like
protocol.
None of that.
But broadcasting commission and really make sense in Jamaica. But you don't know how to go. A protocols.
And as I say,
what place get
you them make it bad for themselves because every single day. Enough time now, them too much videos with them doing an altercation with people and I push too much violence. So them make it bad for themselves.
Who? I mean them.
The DJ, the artists, them, the young artists, them. I make it bad for themselves. Because too much nonsense then the music right now. It's less about
Salaman. The younger generation was a different.
But when me says this, let me show you how broadcasting commission is stupid. To me, if you go really lock down for a certain thing, it makes sense you really turn the country now like China. Where the state own, because but at the end of the day, banning the music is less effective than recalling Instagram, TikTok, and all.
The broadcasting commission are going to regulate YouTube to the internet and so that. Them say
no.
So them are that's what you try and do. That's what
they can't happen. So 3/4 of them girls, 3/4 of them social media influencer. So social media influencer thing done.
No means it done. It means it are regulated.
No, not to me.
It's regulated.
Naked ladies on the Instagram every day. Naked woman on the Instagram every day. To me, the facts enough of them if them high school girl.
The girl them
have Instagram account and every minute them a wind up them body in a short tights and a show up them body.
TikTok and this and that.
To me is more
and filtered pictures.
It's more detrimental than Mali. If you tell you the God,
where's that Mali?
Social media influencer.
So we're going to influencer.
That next thing. Social media. This is my first thing on this. Social media influencer is one of
what am I influence?
Is one of the most creative ways for further push the agenda for make black people, black women turn absolute prostitutes and black boys turn absolute criminals. To me, it's just another way for just squeeze the youth them mind.
Internet prostitutes.
Turn prostitutes and criminals. I don't know where a social media influence.
Myself naked picture a video and this and that and
so that's my first one.
But Salaman, we not advocate for freedom of speech and all these things.
Listen to this. Me always say there's no freedom of speech in Jamaica because at the end of the day, me always say, the man says such and such bro God, and police come see him underneath him bed.
And I video the man.
So there's no freedom of speech, there's none of that. Because if you have freedom of speech, you couldn't tell the artist, you could have banned the youth, you could have banned the man then.
So now advocate for freedom of speech then?
You don't have any freedom of speech.
Now ask if you are advocate for freedom of speech.
No, but them not says freedom of speech in Jamaica.
No, I never see sure you say that.
The Jamaican have freedom of speech? I never know that.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, give me knowledge now, brother. I never know that, brother.
No, I know you.
No, I never know that.
Negative, but I don't know about the freedom of speech.
No, I swear to God.
No.
See, yeah, give me knowledge.
No.
We never say.
Oh, I go on there,
Brother, we never say.
What you want, like? Go on.
So hold it, charges. All right, you learn the iPad. So
Yeah, that's that. Right.
What knowledge?
Yo, what may I tell you? I never know so Jamaican have freedom of speech.
No, I don't know about the freedom of speech thing themselves.
I never know. No, I say, I never know, swear. So,
all them say is out of many one people. I never not born the freedom of speech.
So then you can't speak your mind. So you can't speak your mind in our country then.
I never know when everybody I say that nowhere.
Even worse. But all right, so what do man think about the young lady who are floating in water and boops bops?
Condolences to the parents,
condolences to the families and the friends.
So whether be if you were to make a public announcement, females and a public announcement to males, what would it be? In regard.
Yeah, then finish the bar talk. What the topic name
domestic violence and
the bar talk topic and the one about
violence against women.
Violence against women.
Yeah, so what would that be for a public announcement? But at the same time, we have to keep mindset.
Kind of tricky, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah,
because guess what? You can't say
women empowerment, you know.
The woman them. If you come out and say right now in this world where men are fully muted and they expect for having an opinion, you can't come out and say, boy, the girls them need for break. You can't say that. All you can say is all you are allowed to say.
God go with them, brother. God go with them.
The man them need to stop killing women.
God go with them.
That's the only thing.
And the man need to stop killing man them too. More man
need to stop killing man them. The man need to stop kick up the dog them on the road.
No, that's a different thing.
Man need to stop pollute the ocean them.
Right, yeah, definitely.
The man need to stop hunt, you know. The man need to stop hunt when bird season up.
Right.
The whole of the big butterfly them, the whole of Jamaican big butterfly, a long time I don't see one of them butterfly.
Yeah, that's what I tell butterfly.
The man deforest the country.
Omni bird too.
Exactly, so
what
I want to things there, brother.
Influencer.
Got you, yad.
Yeah, where the thing go now. There's a time and place.
There's a what? Him say?
He mute himself.
Mute himself.
That's what you call divine.
Self-regulation.
No man, that's what you call divine intervention. If there was a God, God just knows you. We can't afford.
Spirit that one day.
Yeah, spirit that. That's spirit that.
Define intervention.
Yeah, God. A long time that don't do the bar tag. Spirit man of that.
Hello.
Yeah, spirit man that information we go spew out.
Man get most of that while ago.
Yeah, the man
They say broadcasting commission.
Man self-regulated say. You're really a grown yard. You're really a grown brother.
Some big man.
Yo, on a serious note still,
yeah.
Man just need for the better, woman need for the better.
You can't lift this alone.
Some of them
first of all, why is it that
some of them are
why is it that the deaths when it comes down to the social media influence them
more outrage
when somebody are gonna do them something? Why is that for them that's so gruesome and look so violent and look so passionate, like a whole heap of things they in that scenario? Every time
I say it worse than killing.
No, man, but
you mean in terms of our reaction?
Young lady about Donnelly. No, but I'm not saying.
In terms of reaction,
in terms of, remember, say Jamaica full of crime and violence and gun violence. But why is it that
the reaction to it? I mean, the reaction to it.
No, but why is it that when
public reaction,
the public reaction also, right. And also enough man where and a so-called criminal end up kill a woman. But when them do it in a way where so like them want to tell a story. It's like a story. Because when they say in the water, that's why I have so much things are talking, because it's a story people are try pull together, but them not have the information, you know. Because everybody I use for them sentiment. I said, Jano, look how she floating at the water, where she could have do so. What a man there, what the you see what I say? It look different than some man walk up on the end and bust up some shot and man dead. Woman dead. Indirectly, the man indirectly do that act there, brother. Me want know that is what me want to know. What go on in a
brother.
in a
In a
relationship,
different
so, oh
time,
man,
yeah,
how
man.
man
With
deal
some
with
of
them.
them girl, yeah.
That's why
The
me
man
say
them
so.
a deal with
brother.
the boy.
Because
I know.
we done in our topic them. Yo, people for just do better. You reach a point
Zero,
where
what
you
is
feel
better?
like that
What is
got
better,
Zero,
brother?
better
What
for
is
them.
better?
choose a
What
next
them a do?
option. Choose a different option.
No,
than
brother.
to
What is
do
better?
that.
What is better for the
For them
female?
better.
What is better for the male?
Better is
What you
relative
say?
in my youth.
If
Man, I
I'm
try
Some
giving
of them
you,
are that
but
for
we
them
know, if I'm
betterment, not for
giving,
them.
if I give a young lady $800,000,
For the what?
what should be my as a because end of the day,
Do better?
no,
Don't give her
That's like, yeah, the
800,
money
give
that
her
you want.
but listen,
or
message
don't
to
give
me.
her none.
We have to also understand, as human beings, when somebody feel cheated, whether or not it's a correct mindset or a
Yeah, but you end
sinful
up feel
mindset,
cheated. Are you cheat yourself? You end up feel
No,
cheated.
but in end of the day, if you give somebody here to me, not justify it. People, me not want to know
Yeah,
go
but
pray.
what I'm saying,
I'm just saying,
why are you giving
if
somebody?
you
Disclaimer,
give
we're
a
not
female,
advocating
all right,
for, violence
Well, I'm here,
against
Solomon.
women.
if you have a
Disclaimer.
female, you get me say you have a female,
Just some
you and a
scenarios.
female have a relationship, and the female look on you and say, oh, such and such need for no. Give me an 800 pack now. You will show up here 800 pack. Me want to know,
And
as
you
a
just,
man,
all right, the two
as
of
a
them,
listen, we are me as a man.
is a scenario you are
When
giving
you
me,
would
I give
think,
you back a scenario for the
no,
answer.
me
Me
done
can
at
hear
the
me, yeah,
end
me
where
can hear me, yeah, me can hear.
What
Go
me I
through,
say,
Solomon.
what
Me
the
can hear, man.
emotions a man, and not you me want hear what una say and what una think a man I go think now.
All right.
When him
One.
give over that $800,000.
All right, one.
Where
You
him
give her the
expect now from
800,000.
the female and what
Is it
kind
that
of
$800,000 to give
level of
back?
loyalty? Them man they
Boy,
must have
this come like
$800,000.
the topic out upon
May I
girl
ask
clone.
you, is
Them
it
man
that
they must have
$800,000?
$800,000. You
So
can't
come
never
like
take
girl clone
loss.
topic.
No, but
You can
Solomon,
never take your loss and get a woman.
It's come
exactly,
like girl
Solomon
clone
depends
topic.
on who.
One of your female where you
That's
committed
why
to.
I'm asking.
All the next thing, me never know if it's say, brother. If I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
But me want to know where you
That's why
expect. Which any type of female, where you expect. Where you
Yo,
expect. What kind of mindset you have if you
people
get
need to
a
listen to
female.
the girl clone
So
topic and the
if
chivalry
you whether
topic
or not you last or you
and the
have it in
channel.
abundance, why your mindset as a man with territorial
You
and have
cannot
certain
afford to lose $800,000.
you
Don't
should
lose
you know
it.
figure. Suppose they can afford to do it.
Finish
You
with
just
and
do
go
it
about your
because
business.
and them say man for my woman and man for your woman money. See I work from
If
the
you can
perspective.
afford to do it and it's of no significance to
Say
your
things
pocket
so
or
say you
your
don't feel
No,
some of
hold
them
on,
man them
Solomon.
might
Jerry, hold on
then
there.
you do what you
Solomon, hold
want to
on.
do.
Are you insinuating that is somebody money she take on them go kill her?
No.
No.
So what the connection
No.
between that?
All I'm
Just a
saying
scenario. Just a
is
scenario. It's just given a
is a
scenario.
lot of the times the females them whosoever die from a man do whatever to them. A lot of the times the story come out here.
So we
She
so we
take
assume say
money and whatever.
is a intimate partner violence.
I not assume. I'm just
No
saying.
assumption.
Is a intimate partner violence, then we know what the case. It could be she this a man and the man does knock her down as well. Me not understand. Me don't know the details, you know.
You get me? I say so that me I say right now say what me never know if it's it's crazy, brother. It's
To eat
crazy.
his own, yeah, man. That's it.
Nah, but
The
when
man
I
of
eat his
wise.
own.
Man, them of
When I
wise.
eat his own, we can't continuously have the
To
woman
eat
them
his
are
own,
dead.
brother. I
Have
like
the
you
man
know.
them continuously a kill the woman them. If
And
that's the
why
scenario.
and that's why
You
Woman
know where
them,
teacher
I
talk
see
about
the
to each
man
his
them
own. What do
too.
you mean by that, man?
Nah, man,
To
them
eat his
can't.
own.
Where that
can't
where
have
that
Don't
man? Where
give
that go with that
where you
man?
can't afford to lose.
Why?
Hold on,
You
man.
can't.
You
Where
don't
that?
give
You
Where
can't
go
have
that?
that
to
continuously in
eat
that
his
country.
own.
To each his own. Where you get that
But
from? What that
this
mean?
not gonna solve.
What
This
that
not
mean?
gonna solve, brother.
Remember say
This
no,
are
remember
going
say no.
from
The
time.
man them have
This are going
females.
from time.
Because me have females in my family and
This
females
are
with me.
going from time, brother. The woman must be wise. Simple. And the man must be wiser too.
To
That's
me,
how I see it.
put the blame on the man them because as a man, the man them need to stop this overcompensation with money and overcompensation with attention like them a gal and go back to them roots as man, brother. The man them a behave now like too much gal like them
Some of the man them a girl
like
clone,
them a
brother. That's the thing.
fanboy for
no, it's
females. I
not
like
even
them
girl clown
fright.
in a teacher. And a
It's
girl
never
clown,
it's never gal clone. The man
and a
them
There's
girl
no
clown.
for it still.
men now are seeking
Or men
validation
ke.
from females. One time a female seek validation from males. Now the man them a seek
Man, them a
validation
run
from
down the
Dali
woman,
Bali.
them
The man
violate.
them want Dali Bali. The man them want chat woman where this woman where bleach out and chrome skin. Yes, what I say. So the man them a like them a seek validation. Say every man need now if you have money have a Dali Bali when
Don't
you go
forget
to
a
the
Dali.
road on your side.
To par with.
Like you're an
On the
idiot.
gram, on the media,
Every man
social
need no.
media.
Every man need a body. A bad girl, a girl when the day they on social media show up herself, everybody know. Every man need that. Me don't know a walk one right because it's crazy to me. To me, the man them,
some man.
Yeah, some.
To
Yeah,
me,
man.
the
You
man
know
them,
what I mean?
to me, the man them right now. To me, the man them right now. Forget them roots as man and gone to this level now where it's like it's like a money,
A change in gender roles now.
Brother, the man them emasculated to a point where them
now
totally
the woman them now are the males.
Yeah, bro.
So right now you have the woman them where
Me nah mention no woman. Me nah mention no woman. The man them need to lift up themselves, drop them socks, lace up them boots and start behave like man, brother. The man them are going too hard. Stop give females validation with your money. Stop seek validation with your money.
Topic of continue still in
Yes, I mean, I say stop do them something, brother.
Explore.
The man them are going to, brother.
Explore
right
this
now,
more,
to me,
deeper.
me look on it and say, yo, when me look back on it, I say, you know what's about right still? I demand them for blame. Man them for blame, brother.
Yeah, man, we look on it on the surface, but there's a deeper role.
Nah, man, the man them for blame, brother.
All
brother,
based on the male.
To me, if you can't manage a fire, stay out there, brother.
Can't tell them that.
Me learn that early. If you see a cat,
some of them money you can't tell them that.
If you see a girl when that day you intimidate to go over them too and talk to, but you're more confident when you have the money in your pocket. Trouble there. Lord that. If you're not confident, brother, if you're not confident, broke, you're not confident with money.
Can't tell them that, brother.
I don't know about money, that's my philosophy. Me can look any woman when me broke. And it's even better when me have money.
That would be a different topic, Salam.
Brother, it comes back to the man and for start move like women and start move like men. Start seek validation from women, brother. I like the man them need to go back in and start looking at the mirror and say, love yourself. I like
the man
that.
them lose
the
them
man them need
brother.
That, you know.
The man them lose them kingship along the way.
The whole social media, everybody want to post to get likes and who have the most likes.
Views and shares.
Right now,
charge a woman can monetize them body, man can monetize them body. Man need to understand that. And Bill and stay in your lane.
Yeah, but what we are saying, Solomon, is that when the social media concept just arise, and the woman then used to depend it and run down likes,
The man them run it down.
The man them depend it and run it down fast. And them
toe to toe.
Every man want to post in a car with money on the seat and say,
toe to toe, brother. Toe to toe.
Every man want
money pull up. And every man want money pull up. And money pull up some big fat walk. Yeah, boy, I don't know.
And then go on broke.
But I don't know, brother. And
then the day. And guess what? Explore that topic more deep.
And what the man them need to do? Stop take up one who can't manage. If a man them take up this 2, 4, 3, 4 gal na them thing, can't manage. If a one you can manage, stick with your one, brother.
Man them want the gal thing, brother.
Man them want the gal stab. Man them want chopper tab, gal stab. Well,
you name Solomon, man.
Man them want chopper tab, gal stab. Man, them want money tab. Me wise up your tab. Easy, youth. Easy.
Wait, 7 name Solomon again.
Easy. King Solomon. Listen to this. Solomon never need to call up him name and say this and that, you know. Solomon, brother. That's all me have to say. So, if if you make the thing look like it, yeah, my wise up, charge. Yeah,
my wise up.
Yeah, my wise up.
But that's serious thing still.
The man need to stop this run-down woman thing and man need to stop. But
the thing is not. But the thing is enough. The truth is enough. Some of them are woman them are run down.
The man see validation
from man.
That
them man say, yo, you see man over there, so you see
the thing, brother.
Yo, you see the girl in the corner, dog.
Man,
twisted
right now. Right now, seriously, the body just do not for the thing the man do now.
Man, I'm crazy.
Please.
Man, I'm crazy.
You're right, I'm not for play some man, for play some man.
Man, I'm crazy.
I want to go up on the corner and have lavish corner.
Anything set away, man.
And brother.
Twisted. Not for them fish out, you know. Remember that, you know. Not for them go there, wrong up, you know.
Why?
Yeah, that's another story they say, you know. I'm sure that topic I can explore for one
brother,
day.
But in terms of the violence against women, though, brother, man, them need to understand the charging. One thing we know with females get illogical at times. They say if you know hold your little one and know when to run and when to hold, trouble.
They say know when to walk away.
And know when to
know
walk
when
away.
to run. No.
Yo.
Teacher.
Yo.
Teacher, you are close off now.
Why? Lucky talk. Alright, Jiro with the so we're talking about the land saga or the government about the land people. As well, in Hoover say you have ways and measures in which we can own lands. So let us explore.
My only thing on that is I think a public service announcement should go around.
Right.
The people in the country.
So we can know
which lands are free, which lands are available for sale, which lands they can get. Where you need to get the land if you're on the land right now, and it's a squatter situation, you need to do more of that. So people know so them not have an excuse. Like ignorance is bliss. So get the people them less ignorant. Yeah, less the people less ignorant and an excuse. So we don't have to go through the tragedy. You also get bulldozer done because
yeah man. So the government needs to be
in a capitalist country, them things that are
with the information minister, so we can know how we can go about it acquiring
that
land, so we can basically build
very important.
Yeah man, we touched on the music ban right about now, as we had mentioned earlier. The body not listen radio again, but a generation and not listen radio, that's older folks. And everything about span TikTok, YouTube, Spotify, so they said they know. So the Broadcasting Commission kind of late in the game, you know, where that is concerned, the music ban.
My 2 cents right now with the music ban is that just need some more topics to sing about. Right.
True. More creativity.
No, but I'm saying, and also, when good songs are not encouraged on radio, them DJ, nah.
Alright. We'll lock it up there. And the whole Dali concept, you know.
Like, subscribe, man.
Well, man, the social influencer. Boy, I don't know what they are influencing, but God go with them. To each is their own. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Another bar talk again.
Again.